this video we will learn how we can provide animations to the objects contained in the slide. Animations are basically objects in motion. When we provide any kind of motion to the objects present on our slide, then it is known as animation. So in order to animate anything, first we need to select the object. For example, here I am selecting this text digital presentation. Now we will go to the task pane and we will select this animation, custom animation. You can look, there is one star shaped tool called custom animation. Now in order to apply this animation, we will have to add the animation. So we will click on add button and then we will select any one of the animation. Suppose I select checkerboard, then you can see the effect on the slide, and we can control the speed, let it be medium, and we will press it on OK. You may play to see its preview. When you click on play, you can see its preview. We come to the second slide. Here also we first select the object. Here we are selecting the text, and then we can click on add. We can select any of the animation. For example, if I select dissolve in and I control speed, I am making it medium. In medium you can very easily see the effect of animation. When the speed is very fast, it is too fast to detect the effect. So it's better to make it medium. Some animations they are very slow, so in that case you can make it very fast. This also I am making it same like dissolve in, and its speed to be medium, and then I am clicking on OK. You can click on play to see the effect of the animation. Then we move to the next slide. Here we select the title. Once the title is selected or object is selected, you can click on add. In the taskbar, when custom animation is selected, you can select any of the animations. Like I am selecting float and I am giving it a slow speed. Let's see how it works. I am clicking on play. You can see how the how it gets floated on the slide. I am making it very slow. Let's see the effect when it is very slow. You can watch, it is being floated from the top right corner of the slide. Here also you select this, click on add and click on any of the animation. Let's see what thread does. Thread, we can see the slideshow after making the animations. Let's see how they are visible in the slideshow. See, slide is getting floated, and this is how this comes. Slideshow settings. All slides from let's select the first slide. You can see the presentation, you can see the animations. When you provide animations, it becomes more interesting. The objects move in some or other manner. So this is how you can provide animations, by going to the custom animation and then clicking on the add. once you have selected the object. So that's all for this session. I hope you will be able to do the custom animation and make very attractive slides. Thank you very much.